Hey guys, how's it going? How to read deleted messages on Messenger. So, open Messenger, go to your profile and select archive chats to see if messages were archived instead of deleted. Next, you can search the search bar to look for the conversation, maybe a word, a letter, whatever it might be. If the thread still exists, you may find the messages there. Next, if the chat was with someone else, ask them if they can resend the message. And eventually, if you receive the notifications for the messages, check your notification history if your device supports this. And please note that once messages are permanently deleted, they cannot be recovered. So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you.